Let's start by tracking a point. Create a null object and start tracking it to the point that you want to track. Track. Look at all those dots. Create a solid. Let's make it blue. Pair it to our null object. Look at it go. Now they are synchronized. Maybe I'll make another null object. This time I'll track my fingers. I'm not sure what I'm going to add here, but I'll do it anyways. Let's make another solid and pair it to that null object. This will be useless later. Let's try to code and generate some text. Never mind, let's delete it, because you're not a comp sci major. Write out the month. June does come after May. Reposition and scale. I'm feeling numbers. Input the numbers manually. Create a new solid. Type in saber effect. Let's put the sabers in circular mode. Time to choose a color. Lighter blue. Choosing your saber style. Expecto Patronus. Keyframe some effects. Let's add heat displacement, or turbulent displacement. Create a mask. That's a nice mask. Let's make a record button. Resize it and position. Pair it to our first null object. Whee! Let's add a radial blur. Lag. Change the color of the record button. Let's make a record text. Pair it to your first null object. Lag. Rendering. You're done!